Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing Autoglym's Fast Glass and Autoglym's Instant Tyre Dressing. I'm going to be doing both these jobs while my sausage roll's in the oven, and hopefully when I've done them I come back in and the sausage roll's not burnt. Let's see how we get on. Okay, shake well and spray on. Okay, so the tyres do look loads better. They really have got a kind of a shine to them. What I have noticed though is where I've sprayed, can you see that overspray on the tarmac? Looks like it's stained the tarmac a little bit. So what I'm going to do on the other tyres now, I'm going to put a piece of cardboard down, and hopefully that might help with any overspray on the tarmac. Okay, so that's all the 4 tyres squibbed, as you can see. I'm going to let that dry and then we'll come back out and have a look to see what they actually look like. Let's go and get the sausage roll. The tyres should be dry now, so let's go and have a look. Okay, after that lovely sausage roll, let's have a look at the tyres. They're definitely dry now, and yeah, they do look really good. That one's slightly drying still. But yeah, a massive improvement. They really do look good. Okay, fast glass, let's give it a try. Give it a good shake. And we've got a microfiber cloth as well, so we'll squib it on. And then we'll use the microfiber to clean the window. Let's have a look. Yeah, it feels quite good. It looks quite good actually. It does make them look shiny. Okay, my final verdict. Autoglym's fast glass first. Well, let's see how well it performed. It definitely went on with ease. Just a few sprays on the glass with a microfiber really did buff them up really well. So I'm going to give Autoglym's fast glass a solid 9 out of 10. How about Autoglym's instant tyre dressing? Well, let's have a look how that performed. Easy to spray on. Just got to watch the residue, the overspray. But put a piece of cardboard down and that'll cure that. And once dry, just look at the results. So what am I going to give for Autoglym's instant tyre dressing? Again, solid 9 out of 10. What would you have given them? Let me know in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.